And when it went to the Supreme Court argued that we did not discuss or debate that particular clause. And then the Supreme Court expounded it from the law. And that is exactly the same clause that the Minister of Interior introduces in Parliament. And that is what we are to debate and submit. But I do not think the Supreme Court was right in saying that we did not debate it adequately. In Parliament, when we are making laws, if there is no controversy about the law, a particular bill or clause, we don't debate it. Most of the time, we don't say anything. We read the head note of the clause, and then if any person has anything to say, add or subtract from the proposal, the person says it, and then we could debate. It is not that every clause must be introduced for debate. But the Supreme Court said that when the matter, the issue was before us, it was not part of the memorandum that the Ministry of Interior submitted to Parliament. And it came up. Yes, it is not everything that is given to us in Parliament that must be part of the... If they are bringing it to Parliament, yes, obviously, the memorandum covering the bill must cover it. But if it is introduced when it comes to Parliament, the memorandum cannot cover it. Because the memorandum is a summary of what the sponsoring ministry or the sponsoring person is information that the person is giving us. But if it comes up and then we come out with any idea, we add to, we introduce anything, then obviously the memorandum cannot cover it. So I am sure this time we will debate it adequately, and I'm not sure the Supreme Court will say that we didn't debate it.
Just for clarity, so this will now be considered under the certificate of urgency?
Yes.
Okay, when do you plan to do this?
We start on it last Friday. It was referred to the Defense and Interior, and then Leadership of Constitutional and Constitutional, Legal and Parliamentary Affairs were added. So on Friday, the committee starts on it. Tomorrow, Tuesday, when we sit, if the report is ready, we will lay the report, and then we'll do the case.
So...